Okay, so we're now going to do some cuts with the TCR turbo blade for faster cutting of porcelain. As you can see, it has holes around the blade to keep it cool. So let's get this unpacked and get it on the machine. Okay, we've now got the TCR blade on the machine, so we're going to set the machine up for doing a mitre. So let's have a go. Okay, as you can see, we've done the mitre cut on the tile. Now just to finish up the edges, just to give it a nice finish, we can use a hand buffer pad and just basically just work it along the edge of the tile a couple of times. We're now going to use the TCR blade to do a straight cut with the TC125. Let's see how it goes.